I'm Sam Norton, fugitive, wanted man. I'm posting from an undisclosed server location. I'm wanted by the government and now by the rebels too. I'm trying to get this vlog out to Cynthia Porter. You might know Cynthia Porter from, she was a head programmer for Homeland Security. She was working on the Universal Resident Tracking System. If you know her, you've got to get this to her. Cynthia, if you get to see this, I have to tell you my side of the story. I never got a chance to tell you this before they split us up. We have to put our heads together, you and I, so we can fix this. I'm trying to get this vlog out to Cynthia Porter. Cynthia, if you can hear this, if you can see this, you need to get in touch with me. I'm still on the same place online that you know, and I still have the same password. Cynthia, since they've split us up, I never got to tell you my side of the story, and that's why I need you to see this. I hope you can find this. It all started about 5 years ago, before the clampdown. I had a store. I used to sell computer parts, and the taxes just drove my business into the ground. And I took to the streets with thousands of other Americans trying to peacefully protest what was going on. We tried Tea Party rallies, other types of demonstrations. We thought we had First Amendment rights, but it turns out we didn't because the government squashed us. It was a building majority and they couldn't deal with it. They put us down. They put thousands of us in jail. They threatened thousands more with jail. The leaders of the movement, they called them ringleaders and put them on show trials that played on television and the internet. There was nothing left for us to do. We did the only thing we could. We took to the hills and we formed an armed resistance. And in fact, it's exactly what the Founding Fathers told us to do over 200 years ago when they formed this country. That's how the Second American Revolution started. And that's how I became a member of the New Sons of Liberty, 4th Division 9th Intelligence Unit. Since I had a background in computer skills, my job was to be a hacker. I got really good at it, and that's why I was called Shoehorn. That's how you knew me, as Shoehorn. Cynthia, you know what the government was doing with all the information they had. They had RFID chips in all the state licenses. They had medical histories on all those silly bracelets that we all had to wear for the universal health care, those bracelets. We also had, they had GPS trackers in every cell phone in America. And the government put that all together. It was like Big Brother. They just put that information together. That's when they brought you on to do the Universal Resident Tracking System. You were just used like a pawn. And I think that's what...